to 8,000 in the rest of the world, something like that. This is a guess.
Okay, thank you. And then just as a follow-up, in the letter you do point out that the size of the European market for premium mid-size sedans is...
Alright, welcome to the Dan Dunn Show, bro. I called it all day, live with the action. Me and my bro are back up to it again.
How you guys doing today? It was a big day.
We're looking for stocks to do tomorrow. We called this all day today. Let me repost this on Tesla. We weren't quite prepared. We had someone who wasn't quite familiar with what the fuck
I don't do this for a living.
He doesn't do this for a living. He doesn't do this for a living.
No,
so,
he's not.
So hold up. Let me get this reposted up on Stock Twitch. Big fucking day today, dude. I was calling it. Yo, let me get this motherfucker's name who was calling me out earlier, dude. I'm gonna call him the fuck out, bro.
Post it on Stock Twitch first. Post it on Stock Twitch first. Let's do one thing at a time. You copy, not paste.
It should still be pasted. But dude, this motherfucker was talking all bears to me and shit today. He was talking like he was a big man or some shit, dude. I asked him to come on the show. He never came on the fucking show. I guess because he's a fucking bitch. But I don't know what's going on with that. Anyway, dude, Tesla reports his fucking earnings, bro. Dude,
yeah, you messed it up.
I didn't even mess anything up.
Hold on. Copy. There you go. Post.
Who was this guy?
While he looks up the guy, let's just go over why today was such a
Wonder
huge day.
3R Squirrel.
What we said yesterday was this is a supply and demand kind of a problem. This was a cash flow kind of a problem. For Tesla to be successful, they needed to have a production increase. They needed to have a delivery increase. Both those things. Let's go over what happened today.
Extremely bullish earnings report, as you can see already.
So, first question, production. Production stabilized. They made 5,300 Model 3s last week. 5,300 Model 3s. Huge number. Huge number. More efficient production. This was a surprise. I didn't even think about this. This is a good news too. 30% increase in efficiency in production. Huge. Making them cheaper, trying to get to that 35K mark. Competing with Honda Civics. I mean, that will be huge if they're able to successfully do that. The other thing, so production, they were making the cars. Can they get the cars into the driveway? That was the other huge question. Massive increase in efficiency. Biggest production on record. Lowest inventory on record. That is huge. That is getting cars out the door into people's driveways.
They were expected to make a negative fucking earnings per share here at negative 0.145. They came through with 2.90 positive. Dude, that is more than crushing it. They beat that shit by $3 fucking
so,
per share.
Deliveries, right? 56,065 Model 3 delivered. A total delivery 70,000 total cars delivered. Huge numbers. I mean, those are fantastic numbers. It was a historic quarter. We're gonna switch the screen real quick, and I'm gonna show you what Mr. Elon Musk thinks about this quarter here.
He thinks it's fucking bullish as hell. By the way, for all you guys watching the conference call, how cool and calm is fucking Elon?
So here we go, right there, baby. That's what you gotta know. That's what you gotta know. Historic quarter. Historic quarters. What does all this mean? What was the most important thing that we talked about yesterday? Production, deliveries, cash flow. 881 million cash flow.
They're up $0.8 billion in their cash flow from last quarter. Last quarter.
I don't know if it's up, but that's what the cash flow is. It's 88.1, which is a huge beat, obviously. Wow.
Dude, this is just a beat across the board. A beat across the board.
And you know what?
The Nasdaq was down 4.5% today. 4.5%.
I was just gonna say this, right? So it's been a tough quarter for us all. The markets have gone down.
Rest in peace those who didn't make it.
Yeah. This play this week, we don't like to talk about our actual positions because we, the disclaimer and stuff like that. But this play, yesterday we had a good feeling about it. I bought it today at different levels. It stabilized my year. You know what I mean? This made my year. Tesla, I was on the lower end of the prospect theory. Tesla made my year. Huge beat. It was incredible. Really was incredible. So,
I'm just reading this right now. I mean, it's just
So let's hop on. You were talking about some bears today on
cash
Stock List.
is king, bro.
Cash is king, dude. The cash is always king.
Cash is king, bro. But yeah, dude. So I had some fucking bears that I would like. I would just like make some shout outs too, bro.
And you know what? Heads up to all those people who were long Tesla. It was a tough ride. If you were long Tesla the whole year, congratulations, dude. You deserve a cookie. You deserve to go out and like get some drinks, do whatever you got to do.
But in all honesty, at perfect timing, 3 days ago would have been the time to buy a Tesla. So
this morning I was a little late. I paid for some implied volatility.
Volatility.
There was some IV in there, but it was all right. It was definitely worth the risk in the long run. Reading it yesterday, his production numbers were reasonable.
If you guys got anything, throw it up on the chat. We only
Yeah.
got 5 viewers for this, dude. This is the fucking shout out show.
Oh, we never posted it.
Duplicate
messages. Put something here, huge bullish or something. I don't know. You gotta give it a second. Give it a second while it's crashing. I know, it's frustrating. But man, what a day! What a day to be. What a day to be a capitalist. What a day to be alive. Making cars in America, making it happen. Elon Musk. Who would have thought? You know, I always thought the Tesla would tank first. Little did I know that the day that the market kind of went down today. NASDAQ entered a correction territory.
It kind of went down. It went down today.
The AW is part of the link.
What?
The AW is part of the link.
Yeah, so?
Oh, I don't know if you added that or if you did it yourself. Pebbles, what are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Pebbles was their dog. She came down to celebrate the huge Tesla earnings. She's a big girl. Come on, get out of it.
It's not fucking working for me. Yeah.
So, big day in the markets. Let's see if anybody has anything else they want to say here. No one's throwing up anything in the chat.
4 people watching now.
4 people watching.
Anyway, big day. Yeah. So the fucking bears out there who just decide they're gonna fuck everyone's day up. Wonder with W0ND3RSQUIRL3LL. I think those are I's. Fuck you, bro.
Eating ramen noodles tonight.
Fuck you, bro. I honestly hope that you had fucking short positions and you weren't just full of fucking shit, dude. Because you know what? Eat my fucking balls, bro. Eat my balls. Dude. Going to lose your shirt if they hit their numbers. I'm just giving the guy a warning. I'm giving the guy a fucking warning.
But it's alright. It's alright. You calm down. This is not a time to be upset or aggressive. This is a great day. This was a great day. I was at work when this happened. You know what I mean? I had to keep it kind of a little subdued. Big stuff. So again, let's go over the numbers one more time. Right? What was the most important thing here? Production, deliveries, cash flow. Production, up, more efficient. Deliveries, massive increase in efficiency in deliveries. They were able to work out the logistic problems. 56,000 Model 3s delivered, 70,000 total cars. Those are huge numbers. They're competing with Honda Civic at this point.
Yeah.
Honda Civic, Honda Accords. I mean, they really are. It was in their earnings report. Let's pull this up real quick so you guys can see this chart straight from what they released. So this is their earnings. You can see here, it's a historic quarter. But we will go up real quickly to a pretty telling graph here about how good this quarter was. Look at this right here. The volume, just volume alone. Forget revenue because it's a more expensive car. But look what it's competing with. It passed the Nissan Sentra, which used to be the king. Now, it's competing. Next step is Toyota Corolla. If they could sell more Model 3s in a Toyota Corolla, that would be incredible.
So J Bar Invest says we look like Trump supporters. Bro, just because you think Trump supporters have flags behind us does not mean that we are completely Trump supporters.
And quite frankly, you're asking this for Hillary Clinton supporters.
An American flag is the country we live in. Yeah. It's an easy backdrop.
And only in America would this happen.
Only in America. I appreciate your
yes, thank you for the comment.
Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Thank
you for the view.
Thank you for the view, bro. Thank you.
I appreciate it.
That is not an insult as far as I'm concerned.
What does the production, what does the delivery mean? It means cash flow. This interest rate environment is not suited for a company that's growing and losing money every quarter. I mean, it's just it needs to change, and they changed that. The Model 3, making it profitable, supporting the rest of the Tesla organization. I mean, on the conference call, they were real bullish. I mean, they were talking about factories in China, factories in Europe, how they're going to deliver around the world, create a worldwide logistics thing for this Model 3 and their other more expensive sedans or whatever they're pushing these days. I honestly don't even know the lineup. I know they got 3 cars. They got the expensive sports car. Tesla. They got the expensive sports car. They got the expensive SUV, and they got the Model 3, which is the consumer car, you know?
Cash flow. They got the Model S. The
cash flow is hugely positive. Great day.
Yeah, great day. Great day.
It was a great day.
Dude, you couldn't beat these earnings any harder than they did it. So, like we were saying earlier in the day, last night we were talking about they needed to hit the production, they needed to hit the delivery, and if they hit these two, they had the cash. It's looking like they did all those things and they have the cash.
Yeah.
And their outlook for the next quarter is extremely bullish. We have some quotes from Mr. Musk.
Oh, we gotta get to the quotes because Elon Musk is part of the story.
Well, dude, Elon Musk is the story. We're investing halfway in Tesla, halfway in Elon Musk.
Yeah.
Elon Musk said today during his conference call, the part that we listened to, right? We didn't hear him tell anyone that they're
no fireworks.
No fireworks.
Yeah, no fireworks.
Which is perfect, Elon.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Keep it coming, bro.
Yeah.
Keep it coming. However, he said, we have Isaac Newton on our side. Okay? So, it's hard to fail when you have Isaac Newton on your side.
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. I don't know what that even means.
I think it's an honest comment.
I don't know what that means.
Physics,
First of all, Isaac
physics.
Newton wasn't right. You need Albert Einstein on your side.
You need Thomas Edison.
You need general relativity on your side, not just Isaac Newton. So if they step up and next quarter they get Albert Einstein, and then the last one, this was a good line too.
A lot of people think safety is boring, but not Tesla.
Tesla does not think safety is boring.
Absolutely
now,
not.
Despite
top priority. Even though they were ranked 27th on a consumer confidence rating or whatever today.
Whatever it was.
Yeah.
So bearish.
Either Tesla didn't pay me on this. Yeah, it was clickbait. It was clickbait. That's exactly what it was.
It was just clickbait. It was not the most important news of the day.
No, it wasn't.
At the end of the day, it was all about production. It was all about deliveries to support their cash flow.
And it's about this fucking outlook.
And that's what happened. They produced, they delivered, and now they're up. I don't know. They're up like 20%.
Now the victor gets to reap the rewards.
Let's see what their chart's at right now. Let's pull this chart up real quick, and then we'll sign off. I mean, this was just a quick victory day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You gotta talk about it, dude.
Yeah. There's their chart. As you can see, I mean, it's after hours garbage here, but as you can see, it's hovering above 320. You can expect it to open somewhere 325 to 315 range, depending on what happens. I'm getting completely out of it. I'm not, I sold all my other, I'm not going to talk about my positions, but I am going to close my Tesla position tomorrow, that's for sure. I'm going to lock in my profits. And we got to find another earnings report that's coming up. We were looking at some steel companies or something like that.
AK Steel, Amazon's tomorrow. We want to do it tonight. We want to get the rally going.
Yeah, Amazon and Alphabet are going on tomorrow, but
Google. Snapchat's tomorrow.
I understand supply and demand a lot better than I understand software programs. It just makes more sense to me. So I think I'm leaning towards the steel, but we'll figure out what we're going to do.
No one uses Snapchat anymore.
Yeah, no one uses Snapchat anymore. That's just a dog. I mean,
that's
how's that going to die?
Yeah.
How is that going to die?
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It matters, not the most important thing. So this is the Dan Dunn Show.
This is the Dan Dunn Show. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like it. This is going to be a daily thing. Have a good night, everybody. Tesla fucking killed it, bro.